It's here. My book is here. So I haven't seen the officially the book. I saw it on digital, but not in hard matter. So I'm like so excited. All right. All right. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. Oh my goodness. It's just, it makes it so, my hard work, my soul, everything is in this book, and it looks fantastic. Oh my goodness. I wanted to share something. So I'm looking for a image right here, which is on chapter 9. Chapter 9 is actually the unexpected call to connect, and this was my story about moving here on the coast, and how it all started. And there's a drawing here, an image, and it's called, it says free, and it's a butterfly that Leo, my husband in Canada, drew in 2018, actually on our 7th anniversary. And he knew that I was gonna move to the south, and he drew this butterfly, and I shared the story so I could fly, and he set me free, and that was not a hard thing for him to do. It was a hard thing for him to do. He had told me that, you know, I can't touch your wings, because if I touch your wings, you won't be able to fly, and I want you to metamorph to the butterfly that that you need to be, which is moving here and creating this book here. And I just so excited about it. I want to share something here. Just one second. So this is the actual picture, and it was made, it's a ceramic, I guess, or something like that. And anyways, he drew that, and he caked it, and so this is the official image. And so I want to thank you, Leo, for setting me free and to create. And tonight I'm going to have my first class, and I'm excited that I'm going to be sharing this book, and it's going to be the way I'm going to be teaching is going to be a lot of the things that I shared in this book. So I just wanted to take this moment to share this with you, and I'm so excited, and it's a great way to start the year 2025. I'm just so happy. So I'm videotaping because today I just got this today. Yay! I wrote a book on belly dance and how it totally awakened my spirit.